How to create your own AI clone using HeyGen. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with creating your own AI clone using HeyGen. So let's jump right in. Now, the best part about using HeyGen is that you can click on sign up for free on heygen.com and you can sign up using your email address. That is all you need. Now, once you've signed up on HeyGen, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Within your dashboard, you're going to find a home section and then your general project section. You have a quick create section which allows you to create videos and directly choose how you want to get started. Now, if you're trying to clone yourself, then you want to go into avatars on the left. Once you go into avatars on the left, you will see a bunch of different avatars that are public avatars that are available for you to use. You can filter them out as well, so you can filter out what type of avatar you're looking for. And if I just want to browse around and see the different varieties, I can also do that. Different avatars also have different contexts that they are best used for. So some avatars are going to do better when they are used in their given context, such as UGC as well as lifestyle AI avatars. However, if you want to build your own avatar, all you need to do is simply head on over into the avatar section. Now you guys can see I have created these two avatars previously, and whenever you're cloning yourself or creating an AI avatar, you do need to provide your consent. So to get started with your own avatar from scratch or a cloned avatar, simply click on create new avatar. Now you have two options in this. You can start with a photo of yourself or you can start with a video. It is recommended to start with a video. The reason for that is because it just makes it more realistic and it's able to gauge the expressions a bit more. And it is good to create your own audio replica as well. However, if you only want to create a visual replica, you can simply go into start with photo over here to get started with the photo. Now, once you have created the basic, so you're just going to choose whether you want to design with AI or if you want to upload your own. I'm going to select upload my own and then I'm going to select my photos. From here, you want to select multiple different photos of yourself so that you can upload them over here. Now, we're just going to go on ahead and select a couple of different photos. So I'm just going to be selecting all of these together and then I'm just going to click on open. Now, once I've opened up all of these photos, you guys can see there are some photo requirements. So they have good photos and bad photos, and they have listed out what makes a photo a good photo and what is going to make a bad photo. To make sure there are no group selfies and the image is clear and there are close-ups, full body shots, and a variety of different angles. And you need to make sure that the photos are not too old and are not low resolution images. Once done, click on upload over here. And once you click on upload, you can move on to the next step. So we're just going to upload all of these photos, and ideally it's recommended that you are uploading at least 9 images altogether. It is going to detect all of these images and see if they are accurate or not, or if they do fulfill, their prerequisites for the images. So we're just going to let it be downloaded and, scan all of the images. I currently have 8 images over here. I can add one more to complete the full directory of the images. Ideally, I recommend as many as possible. So what are you going to name your avatar? Woman, the ethnicity, and then after that, we're going to click on continue. Now, once we click on continue over here, you are going to be consenting to this. And if you are opting for the video version, then you do need to upload a video consent of yourself as well. After that, you have two options. You can choose a voice for yourself or you can add your own voice. I'm going to choose a voice and I'm just going to go on ahead and let the AI model train. And right now it is validating all of the photos. Once all of the photos have been validated, you can click on train model on the right to get started with training the model and seeing how it looks in different angles and the way it speaks and its mannerisms. So just like that, you are able to create your own clone, and you are able to do this with a couple of images or just a simple video. Keep in mind that training your model can take anywhere between 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So you do need to wait and wait and let it be completed, and then after that you can proceed with training your model. Now, creating this type of AI model is going to be limited only to the premium plans. So if you are someone that only wants to create one clone of themselves, then you're going to opt for the video model, and this is where you upload a video of yourself. The video needs to be clear, you need to be speaking, your mouth needs to be visible throughout the video, and then within that you can click on edit. You guys can see this is the video, we have the ethnicity, everything has been chosen, and then you can proceed with with training that model, this is available for free. You can create one completely free clone. Now, not only are you going to have the ability to create your own avatar, but you can go into AI voice and you can see you have the ability to create a brand new voice as well. This can be mirrored off of your voice. Not only that, but if you are selecting an avatar, let's say I am selecting this particular avatar over here, and I wanted to have my voice instead of having its own organic voice. All I have to do is enter my script, or rather than just entering the script, I can type it out, or I can even upload my own audio. So I'm just going to record my own audio, which is very quick and easy. So whenever you're cloning your voice, you don't even have to worry about cloning and lip syncing, because obviously it's going to do all the lip syncing for you. And all you have to do is speak. So I'm just going to record a small clip. Hi guys, I'm Lily, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the best natural supplements for weight loss. Now, weight loss has been an issue that I have dealt with, but now this is no longer a problem with the help of XYZ supplements. Now, once I've recorded this, I have two options. Whenever you're cloning your voice, you can either let it be your natural voice and let it be replicated as it is, or you have the secondary option of voice mirroring. Now, voice mirroring allows you to take the way that you have pronounced things, the way that you're saying something, and the AI voice to replicate that. So the AI voice basically just takes the inflections, the way you're rising your words, or the tone in which you're delivering. It replicates that, but it does it with the own AI voice. So if I do voice mirroring, I can do that. Or if I want to directly add my own audio, and then I can just directly add my own clone audio. And you can do this with your own AI face or your own AI clone, or you can add your own voice onto other AI avatars. This is not something that is limited. So you guys can see from here, you can listen to what it sounds like. And if you prefer the voice mirroring, then you can turn that on. Or if you want your own voice, you can just turn off voice mirroring, and then you will have your own voice as well, which can be, a preference that some people do have. So that is how you can get started with this amazing AI tool to replicate and clone yourself in any way. The best part is that HeyGen allows you to get started for free. You can create 3 videos per month with up to 3 minutes of video length. You have 720p video exports. The creator plan starts at only $29, which allows you to create 30 minutes of video with 1080p exports and unlimited videos. And their team plan is amazing because it allows you to export with 4K, and you can save 22% by simply paying yearly instead of the monthly plans. You also have 2 seats included within the team plan, as well as unlimited photo avatars, as well as a pay-as-you-grow option, and you have proofreading of translated scripts as well, so you're able to further create content in multiple different languages. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or any queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching.